Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find same-day delivery on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon. Once you're in the website, make sure you're signed into your account. Now you can see this kind of interface at the home page. Now you can see grocery, medical care, Amazon Basics. Click on that line and scroll to your left and you'll see different options. Scroll until you see same day delivery. Click on it. Now Amazon will show you products that provide same day delivery. So for example, if I click on this product and if I scroll down, you can see the fastest same day delivery today, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Order within 1 hour 6 minutes. Click on buy now and choose the time you want, and that's it. That's how you can find same day delivery on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.